the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now he is playing a recording. He called out 99 and a lot of other people to come and listen to what was going on, because there's some, names being called. So go ahead and listen to it, I should say, and come to your own conclusion. Comment and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Very clean. Don't rely on anyone's people, because the minute you turn away from them, it's all hell break loose. All hell is gonna break loose. All hell is gonna break loose. Funny thing, people, I have a lot of recordings in my armor. I have a lot of recordings in my armor, but I don't think I'm gonna draw for them just yet. Let's see how the life progress to see if I may need them at any point. Ashanti, my question to you is, the groceries you promised to Solaine, did she get them? Whatever credit you said you were sending to her, did she get them? Did she get it? Or did you use her just to make content and potentially tear down the, how can I call her? People, I don't like to call her name, because they always say, oh, if you're gonna talk about me, then I get no views. Okay. Did you use Solaine to bring disrepute? I will always say, my opinion, you use Solaine to potentially bring disrepute to your now co-worker's brand, respectfully. People, I want you guys to hear something. You know, black screen, I am going to draw for your recording, because I'm not ready to go into my evidence unfolding. So let's listen to hear what black screen says. It's a very short video, because I didn't go into the video in its entirety. However, let's listen.
Well, Arlene, it's sad though. It really sad. And these people were doing all of these investigating business, they're getting it wrong, Bridget. Wrong, they're getting it wrong. Last night, I see people, I show people in a pink top. When we go look over the people them page, and then show the person who in the pink are two different people, so they can get it wrong this so. Two different people. We see the display picture of the person in the pink top and here in a one on WhatsApp. And the people then go up on live and say Lorraine. It's not Lorraine. Not Lorraine. It's not her. We're not going to put her in it. It's not her. From me see the picture last night, we say it's problem solved. Me can put up the picture, can I screenshot the picture. But screenshot the picture Auntie Arlene with the woman in the pink top.
Share the video.
Tuffy said it's a woman in a pink top and she ear up in a one. It's either Tuffy or Solaine, one of them. Can't remember who said so. And if you look at the display picture, you see her ear in a one and she have her in a pink top with blue jeans, and it look like she have a black bag and she sit down somewhere in Jamaica. I don't know how much Jamaica, but it's a 5-2 number. I don't know what number that is, 5-2.
Pause. The 5-2 number, it will make sense to you guys very, very soon. Hey, do you guys know that saying, God and time? God and time. God and time. I have a recording that speaks very clearly about that very same 5-2 number Black Screen is now talking about. But I don't think I'm ready to draw for any of them yet until we get the facts straight. Right, listen.
Long 5-2 number. I forgot search out what number that, what country that is. But it's a long 5-2 number. It's not a Jamaican number. And you see people say, I'll rain in a pink top. Then go search for one long time pink top.
The reason why Gracie did that, you black screen, I'm going to tell you what it was. Gracie didn't want the target, the bullseye, to be onto her anymore. So she had to go and find another avenue. And yes, the person mentioned Marcia Campbell. However, yes, Gracie, you somewhat like put 2 and 2 together and said, okay, maybe the Marcia Campbell is Lorraine. So you went and look for a picture to back up your argument, you know. And Gracie, that I feel like that was a wrong thing to do. Clear your name. Don't insert other people's name into that narrative. You get it? And this is why I will always say, a lot of you bloggers on here, a lot of you so-called bloggers on here, you have no credibility. Your credibility is actually next to none, because you most definitely have no morals, no principles, no values, no substance, no nothing behind it. All you guys do every day on social media is tear down each other. Do you guys realize when I come on my page with Mixup, it's always something that's already out there that one of the respected parties on here who I blog about has said? Do you guys realize these things? Never will I ever come out and maybe I will curse someone, but that's where it stops. Me coming out tearing down people, we don't do those things. Bringing disrepute to people's brand, people's reputation, one thing I don't do. However, the rest of you on here, you have failed to understand this fundamental life principles. This is why you people will always be the ones to tear down each other and give people like me content to take to my life and play about you. Understand? It's the logics. Anyways, let's continue to listen to what Black Screen says.
Then go search for a long time pink top. When she wear pink and white. And it's not she. Hey, me I tell you, them people dangerous, you see, man. And the people them are run with it, you know. The people them are run with it. Riverbed, well, we have stop.
You know why they love to run with things? Because a lot of these people on here, they are honest people. I'm very sorry. I mean no disrespect when I say these things. However, a lot of you on here, you don't have a mind and a brain to think for yourself. Some of you are truly uneducated, docile sheeps. I look at the way a lot of you write sentences, or you know, just write a normal comment, and it shows the illiteracy that a lot of you have, you know, just gone through your life. And it's not a good thing. Listen, it's never too late to want to go back to school to have a better grasp of the English language. The time you people have sitting on social media, including you, Ashanti, I've seen texts from you, and you are a dunce your damn self. You are a dunce.